Hello, lovely people. It's Leah. Welcome to part 5 of 13 Days of Halloween. I'm still a blonde, but not for much longer. More on that later. Before I tell you what we have in store for this video, let's open the advent calendar and pick a tarot card. Oh, also, I used this polish. It was great. I really enjoyed it. It's actually apparently a remixed version of another oily polish called Metamorphosis, which is from their Surrealist collection, which came out a few years ago. And actually the color I have on my nails right now are 2 polishes from the Surrealist collection, which I used my new tool to create this look. It's blood drips. How fun. I'm obsessed. So now let's see what's in door number 5. Ooh, it's another one of these shimmery ones. This one is called Waking Nightmare. It's like a lighter version of day 3. So now I have to use this polish, and the one from the Surrealist collection for a manicure. So cute. Oh, oops. That one goes there. That one goes there. And let's do the tarot reading. Ace of Wands reversed. Well, our reverse card yesterday ended up being fine. So, I think this is gonna be bad. Okay, let's see. Because the keywords are creative drive, new projects. So regular Ace of Wands is a sign of new beginnings and potential. It encourages following your instincts and starting something new. Reversed indicates setbacks or delays to beginning a new project or achieving goals, lack of willpower or vision, faltering conviction, creative blocks, or false starts. Well, it's the first card I don't necessarily relate to. I don't feel like I've had any of that stuff. So, I'll have to think on it, but this didn't really evoke anything in me. I definitely feel that way often in my life, but I would say right now I don't. But not everything is always a hit, so that's fine. And actually the reason I say that it's not at all valid is the reason I'm keeping my blonde hair right now is because I thought it was cool enough to get some like photos taken, and then once I have evidence that it happened, I can get rid of it. So I did just get back from Kelly's. We did a little photo shoot in her house. We've always wanted to do like a tub photo shoot, so that's what we did. We did some on her stairs. We used a cool light for like a cool backdrop setting. So yeah, I'm feeling pretty creatively fueled right now, and I have an idea for another photo shoot, also in a bathroom, in my bathroom this time. And so I'm going to go set up that now, enjoy my footage with Kelly doing our photo shoot, as well as getting some boba afterwards. We found a very cool boba shop, and I'll see you back here in the bathroom to explain the second photo shoot that we're doing. And spoiler, it's gonna be a little spooky. It is definitely Halloween themed. I'll see you in a bit. Kelly ate those all herself. Ryan didn't help her at all. Ryan's not even here. Ryan doesn't even exist.
He doesn't.
Oh, I see a shirt. I see a shirt.
He's not here. He's not here. It's just me.
Hello, I just got to Kelly's. She's here. We're wearing the same thing pretty much. Yeah. Nice and walking. We're gonna do a little taste guessing. Ryan insisted on buying this candy corn that apparently tastes really bad. So Kelly's going to give them to me blindly, and I'm going to guess what the flavors are. I hope you're ready.
Okay.
Give me one.
All right. I'm gonna start with.
Oh, I'm not looking.
Okay. Don't look at the color.
I'm not. I'm closing my eyes.
Okay. Show the camera the color.
Okay.
Wait. Should I show them what the flavor
Am I
is?
showing the camera?
Kind of.
There we go.
No, wait. Now. Okay. There you go. I'm gonna show you guys. Move over. This is the flavor. Oops. There you go.
Are you ready?
This is the flavor. Yeah. I'm
Okay.
ready.
I mean, it doesn't taste good.
It doesn't. You should smell the bag. Do you want to smell this bag?
Yeah. Oh, this is strawberry. You know what this tastes like?
Wow!
It tastes like, you know those strawberry candies?
Look at this.
What does it say?
It's strawberry funnel cake.
Oh,
Do you
funnel
want
cake
to try
I would not have guessed.
Do you
But it
want to try
tastes, you
another
know
one?
those candies I'm talking about, like grandmas have
I
them.
know what to do for next. This one. What do you think? Yeah.
We're gonna do them all, so.
Okay. Here's this next one. Oh, you're gonna love this one. This is the one I actually almost threw up and I had to stop trying them. I've only tried 3 flavors.
Coconut.
No.
Okay, pineapple.
No, also. Didn't you guess that? I think you did. Brian's being silent, but he's over here. Your vlog might actually really think he's not real.
He's not.
This one's hard.
Tuna fish? Like, what is it? Imagine.
Yes, it is tuna fish. How did you know? This one.
Banana?
So it's like fall flavors. Well, I don't really think these are fall flavors, but that's what it claims. It's supposed to be like festival flavored. Like you're at a carnival.
Okay.
They have
strawberry funnel cake? That's not even like a thing.
Yeah.
Pumpkin.
No. What?
I don't know, you gotta tell me.
Okay, it's kettle corn.
Kettle corn? What do you
Okay.
think is kettle corn? Like popcorn?
Alright, you're gonna know this one. This one you're gonna know.
We'll see.
You haven't been showing the camera.
Oh, sorry. Is this black licorice flavor? Oh, I looked at it. It's watermelon flavor.
It's not watermelon. Wait.
The color honestly doesn't even help.
I cannot believe you're sitting over here with our smelly trash.
Cherry chocolate? Cherry cola?
No.
I'm going off of color now.
Yeah, no, and it's not a good color to show you what it tastes like.
Oh, it's caramel.
Yeah, but what is it? Caramel what?
Caramel red, bloody caramel.
Yes, it's caramel and blood. It's caramel apple.
Okay.
Our house doesn't usually smell
I
like
cannot
this.
smell the garbage, Kelly.
Okay.
I can't even taste these flavors.
Okay. Yeah.
And another one.
Okay. This one's easy. You're gonna get this one. Ryan's done.
Oh, this is Coca-Cola.
What? You could not be more wrong if you tried.
Lemon sorbet.
How does that taste like Coca-Cola to you? That's what I want to know.
I didn't show. Oh, it's lime. I looked at it again.
It's lemon lime.
Lemon pie or whatever.
What made you think that was Coca-Cola?
I don't know. It's got a zippy flavor to it.
Zippy! Oh my gosh! You could have said Sprite. Wait, let me try to remember which one you haven't had yet. Okay.
Oh God, it's bad.
If you eat it all at once, I feel like the bottom flavor might be slightly different.
That
than
one
the
show.
top.
Sorry.
Yeah. That one. Nope.
Am I
Not
showing?
even close. Not even close. There you go. Kind of. Okay, you're fine.
Good.
Yeah, you get this.
So should I bite it in one bite?
I would eat it in one bite if I were you.
I wanted extra bites, but it is a little gummy, so I'm holding it in my mouth. Okay.
No, yeah, it's actually foul. If you want to take these home, you're welcome to. This one I did not try. And then we need the last one.
Blueberry.
Cotton candy.
I feel it.
Yeah.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
I feel like you're slowly losing your sense now.
I mean, you didn't give me a palate cleanser, so.
I don't have a palate cleanser.
This is all your fault. How am I doing?
That? Okay, I'm gonna tell you after. No, don't look.
I'm looking at my hands. I literally can't see it. I just want to make sure I was in the frame.
No, I was impressed. That looks really good. Actually,
This one tastes like lemon too.
right? Yeah, it is a sort of lemon. Actually, I don't know
Orange
what this
tree.
means. It's called lemonade shake-up. But I wanted to say, it actually does kind of look like a candy corn. Like, I feel like you could hide some of them. You could hide some of the flavors.
I feel like I kind of like them.
Oh my god. Well, Ryan said after the initial disgust, he kind of liked them too. See, like this one, you could hide
Me and Ryan are the
this.
same
You
person.
could hide this one in a bag of candy corn,
Yeah.
and people would be nauseated. It's actually disgusting.
Well, anyway, that was a fun little holiday treat. We're gonna go take some photos. Oh, this one's bad.
That's the kettle corn one.
That one's bad. Oh God. Me and Kelly are in the bathtub.
Hello.
She's just casually putting her shoes on in the tub.
Do you guys not get dressed in the tub? This is where I get dressed.
Now we're doing a fun little photo shoot. We think we found a good spot. We did some stair stuff. Now we're doing some tub stuff.
Yeah, it doesn't sound good.
Stuff.
taste test.
Okay. It's like spicy.
Yeah. Delicious.
Ooh, that's really good. How you like it?
It's delicious. Look at how purple this is. You see this?
Mm-hmm. Pretty gorgeous.
Oh, this is so good.
Hello. I hope you enjoyed that first look at the first photo shoot I did today with Kelly. And that boba shop was so cool. It's queer and women owned. They do a lot of events around the city and the owners were so incredibly nice. And everything was like spooky Halloween themed and that was sick. Okay, photo shoot part 2. This is like the framing I'm looking for and here is my inspo. Obviously you can see that I'm wearing this blood splatter shirt, which I got from Kill Coven. And as you saw, I also have my blood splatter nails. So to add to that, I am going to use some fake blood, do some blood under my eyes, coming out of my mouth, and I thought I could do some bloody handprints on this back wall in my bathroom. So let me get the fake blood and we can add some handprints. Okay, so if we did one like here, that would be good. I might have watered this down too much. Yeah, we need it to be less watery. Oh my God, it's dripping everywhere. Hopefully this stuff doesn't stain. Okay, yeah, that was watered down. What if we just pour the blood directly into my hands? Oh, it smells bad too. Oh yeah, that's better. Check out that thumbnail. Okay, we got 2 there. Let's do another guy. Boop. Oh, that's so much better. I like that the first one's like dripped more. Fun. Oh, we need way more. Oh, fun. Okay, I think that's good. Now let's add the drips to my eyes. I probably should do this in a camera. I'll be right back. I should probably also wash my hands. Well, thank you so much for joining me for another video. This was so fun doing some spooky Halloween themed photo shoots. And say goodbye to the blonde hair. I'm gonna take all this off my face. I'm gonna clean up this bathroom and then I'm dyeing it this color. So check back soon for that big reveal. That will be in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, comment down below. This month we are doing 13 days of Halloween, bringing you 13 Halloween themed vlogs. My name is Leah and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.
Let it go. 얼어붙어 like whoa. 띵하고 어지러워. I see. 한여름에도 난 겨울. Yeah, got cold blood. Yeah, 너와 있을 때 I swear. 제가 먼저 zero 폭설한 그 chill there.